Filtration is a heart of any aquarium. Aquatic fish needs clean water to stay healthy. So quality filtration is essential and important to have a good aquarium. Today we are going to unbox a small filter for aquarium. So let's get started. Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox and set up aquarium internal filter. The model of this filter is RS128F from RS Electrical. The power of this model is 6 watt and voltage is 220 to 240. There are some cautions provided on the left side. I insist please read all those before using this product. This particular model cleans the water up to 500 liter per hour. We also have one more smaller variant which cleans up to 400 liter per hour. This sized filters are ideal for 1 to 1.5 feet aquariums and not suitable for bowl aquariums. Let's cut through the box and see what we have inside. Once we open the box, at the first place we have a filter itself. And the next component is rubber tube or suction tube, nothing else inside. This rubber tube can be used to intake the air to filter, and also we have a cap provided on the one edge of the rubber tube. I will tell you how this black box can be used to control the air pressure. This is the actual filter, RS128F. This model is fully submersible, comes with a decent wire length and has a suction board to latch it to aquarium. This is the head of the aquarium where motor sits. There are two outlets provided. The larger outlet is to throw air inside the water and the smaller is used to intake the air through soft rubber tube. The smaller outlet is also covered with a rubber cap. This filter has got a filter component and also has a sponge inside it. This sponge absorbs dirt and clears the water suitable for any freshwater aquariums. This filter should be fully submersible and ideal for any aquarium filtration. Internal filters are generally cheaper than external filters and they are placed inside the aquarium to provide water movement and aeration. Let's remove the rubber cap from smaller outlet and install the soft rubber tube. As I said, this can be used to intake the air and this tube should be hanged outside the aquarium. Air pressure can be controlled according to our preference from this small plastic box by inserting objects like threaded cloth, etc. Make sure this should not be completely blocked as aeration will be stopped if such. We also have the suction board and it is strong enough to latch this model inside the aquarium. These internal filters are primarily made for smaller aquariums and used for small to mid-sized aquariums. Let's install the filter inside the aquarium. I am using spike buster to power up the filter. As I said, wire length is decent enough for my aquarium, which is less than 2 feet. Before installing, make sure the suction board is at its place and the soft rubber tube is outside of the water or aquarium for the aeration. If the soft rubber tube falls inside the water or aquarium, aeration will be stopped. You can install the filter anywhere in the aquarium, but please be noted it should be fully submerged. If not, motor gets spoiled due to the heat produced by the filter. Due to the aeration, all the dirt will flow around the aquarium and they stuck in the filter part and the fresh water will be released from the filter. After first long hours of continuous running, aquarium water will be cleared. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this quick video. Have a great day ahead.